Hello guys, welcome back to the Gafotozi YouTube channel. It's been a minute. Yeah, I've been away. I moved to Switzerland. And I'm back. So this video is going to be a very short one, and it's addressing mostly to people taking pictures with their phones or taking pictures with not super like flashy new and super capable cameras, especially. No, let me rephrase this. This video is addressing especially to people working for as official photographers with no cameras, let's say. Imagine you are working for some official organization, or you need to take a picture that you are going to be sharing officially somewhere on Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever, and you only have your smartphone to take it. Smartphones are very good tools. They can take very good JPEGs, very good pictures, but they need a small help to have the best pictures that look professional, I would say. Anyway, so let's jump in my phone here. I'm recording the screen. 1, 2, 3. I'm recording. So the application to use is Snapseed. Snapseed was a startup that was acquired by Google some time ago. I think it was literally at the same time as Instagram. Was it or something at the same time as Facebook was buying Instagram? Forget that story, but they're very, very capable. So what I want you to be using from them is two features. First one is the rotation. Please try to put your picture as straight as possible, like the proper way. Also, please work on the white balance. It does not make any sense to have a blue picture or a orange picture because you took it with the wrong white balance, or your camera is not set properly, or the light of the place we are in is not working properly. So how do we do it? Let's go, jump in, Snapseed. We open Snapseed. So I will just take my latest pictures that I have in my camera. I don't want to go in a lot of other pictures. So this is just a simple picture that I have of the aftermath of my workout. And how do I use those features? As I said, I go on the rotate, I click, so it does already tilt the pictures one side or another depending on because the picture is taken with the smartphone. I suspect that the smartphone kind of also no, let me just not speculate. So it tilts the picture, so this one straight as I went, and then I go again there and I click on white balance. And once I'm white balance, I can also do this, click on automatic white balance. This way, the picture is going to be properly done. So this would probably have even more spectacular results if I was using a picture that was not taken properly. So I will not try to take anyone's picture on the internet and say that the skin tone, the white balance or whatever is not properly edited. But yes, try this. And as I was saying, if you don't have your professional camera, if you don't plan on editing in Lightroom or something more powerful, please do use Snapseed. Snapseed is really more than powerful enough. So that was all. Thanks again for watching my videos. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button, like my videos, share them, and I will be doing more and more videos regarding photography on this channel. And thanks again for hanging around. See you in the next one. Bye bye.